How to enable mock trading on Binance. If you want to enable mock trading on Binance, then follow this video. Mock trading is a process that involves the creation and implementation of stock trades that are not conducted in a live market. Sometimes referred to as a simulation trading mock, that trading allows novices to effectively test their ability to choose wisely when making stock purchases and sales. So first you need to open up your Binance app on your device. After that, click on the futures button in the bottom right of your screen. Now you are on the future trading menu. After that, you need to go with the three dots, which is on the top right. Once you're on the three dots here under the feature section, you will have a lot of options. So you need to just go with the mock trading option. When you turn on mock trading, Binance granted an initial funding worth 3,000 USDT. And next you need to confirm by tapping on Start Tour. After that, confirm your mail, and that's it. You will enter mock trading on your Binance. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.